What's up guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Damaris, a Kenyan YouTuber and a mother of two. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, liking and leaving sweet comments.
And as you can see, it is a very cheap method of doing it that is available for the local people who have no money, because we have improvised it using some flexible twigs, and these twigs we have.
They are available. Yeah. They are available anywhere. In the bush, anywhere. You just cut the trees.
Available anywhere. You can see also we have also used the traditional grains of banana fibers, which we have also improvised using it, and you find it is a cheap method, and it is most affordable by those people who have no money to purchase the traps in the shops. Now this is how we make a trap for the bands here in Meru, known as Giterenge. We begin with the first putting the middle post. Then we have another flexible tree, flexible stem that is carved. Then we develop another on the other side. We develop another carved tree, which is put on the other side. We just dig it there. And the main aim of the middle post is to strengthen it so that it can be so tight that it cannot move from one side. Now it is done like that. Then we prepare another stick. That one is laid on the beneath side so that it can strengthen it, that it cannot. It can be strong. We strengthen it that way.
Do you tie anywhere when you put that on?
Yeah, we will have to tie with the strings around.
Okay.
Yeah, so that we can make it to be compatible so that it cannot move. Then on the other side, we lay another one, which we'll have now to tie with a rope to make it to be strong. And we are using the
banana
banana fiber, which are the most commonly used by Americans to tie these. Now we shall tie on the first side. We have to tie it on the first side so that you can strengthen it.
No.
Yeah, you dip the roots on the water so that you can make them soft, so that they cannot break so easily.
Okay, what are the use of the vitelenges?
Vitelenges are used for trapping the bands, mostly that spoil the crops when they are being harvested, before harvest.
Okay, and sometimes do you make to for sale, like you make them for people who can buy?
Yeah, we make them for sale, and it is the most cheap way of achieving a trap for trapping these bands. So people who cannot afford, they use the traditional ones.
Yes.
At a price of 200 shillings.
Okay, so you sell them at around 200 shillings. Yeah. That is about $2. Yeah. $2.00. Okay, that's very nice. If you are watching from another country, just let me know if you make traps for yourselves or you buy traps from the shop. Like if you want to catch birds or to trap birds or something like squirrels, how do you trap them? So just drop a sweet comment there for me.
see we have twisted flexible sticks in making our giterenge, and we are almost completing it now. Almost the part that is remaining is the upper part, and we will achieve that by twisting the flexible sticks, as you can see we are doing, until we construct it completely. We are twisting the flexible sticks like that, and now we are almost completing it.
Okay.
Now you can see we are almost completing our traditional giterenge. That is how it is made, by putting the sticks that are flexible, by twisting them. Now we are on the final stage, and when we complete the upper part, now our giterenge will be complete. It can be used for trapping the bands. It can also be used for rearing other young chicks. So we have said that it has got the spaces that are good for ventilation, so it can allow oxygen to enter while you are rearing young chicks there, and you could prevent them from the predators which eat the young birds. Now the process is almost over, and this is what was used by the traditional Americans when they were trapping the birds that we used to eat crops in their farms, and it was also used by the traditional Americans to rear chicks. You can see this is our giterenge. It is now complete. It can be used for rearing of chicks, and also trapping some of the bands